everyone, welcome back to Win with Maths. It's me, Vinita. Today will be the continuation of chapter number 6 from NCERT Mathematics Class 9 book. So, today we are going to learn about parallel lines and a transversal. What are parallel lines? Parallel lines are lines which extend in the same direction and remain the same distance apart. That means when we draw two lines, that should keep always the same distance in between that two lines, and whenever when we are extending these two lines, it should never meet. It never meet. So these kind of lines are called parallel lines. For example, railway tracks. Railway tracks are the good example for parallel lines. Or another example is lines on a ruled paper. So these two lines, there will be many lines on this ruled paper. When we are taking any two lines from there, these two lines keeping the same distance, and it will never meet, and it will never touch. How much when we extend? Then what is transversal? So what is transversal? A line which intersects two or more lines at distinct points is called a transversal. When we draw a line that is intersecting the two parallel lines, that line is called the transversal. A line which intersects two or more lines at distinct points is called a transversal. Next one. KL is parallel to MN. These two lines are parallel lines. This is a symbol we are commonly used to represent parallel lines. Parallel. So KL is parallel to MN. PQ is a transversal. Four angles are formed at each of the points A and B. This transversal, it is touching the line KL at point A. There we will get four angles. And the same transversal, when it is touching the line MN at the point B, there also we will get 4 points. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, 6, 7 and 8. So KL and MN are parallel lines. Then these four angles are inside the parallel line. So the angle which is inside the parallel lines are called interior angles. That means angle 3, angle 4, angle 5 and angle 6 are interior angles. And the angles which is outside the parallel line, that means here angle 1, angle 2 and here 8 and 7. These four angles are the exterior angles of this parallel line. Then next one we will get from here angle 1 and angle 2. Angle 1 and angle 2 are linear pairs. What are linear pairs? We have learnt about linear pairs from the last class. A linear pair of angles are the supplementary angles whose sum is equal to 180 degree. When we are adding these two angles, we have to get 180 degree. So angle 1 plus angle 2 will be 180 degree. The same way, angle 3 plus angle 4 will be 180 degree. Angle 5 plus angle 6 will be 180 degree. Angle 7 plus angle 8 will be 180 degree. Then the same way 2 plus 3 equal to 180 degree. 1 plus 4 180 degree. 6 plus 7 180 degree. 5 plus 8 180 degree. So which all are the linear pairs from these? So angle 1 and 2 are linear pairs. Angle 3 and 4 are linear pairs. Angle 5 and 6. Angle 7 and 8. Angle 2 and 3. Angle 1 and 4. Angle 6 and 7, angle 5 and 8. All these are linear pairs. Then we will get vertically opposite angles from here. When we are choosing the point A, we will get these two lines are intersecting. And vertically opposite angles are equal. When two lines intersect, the vertically opposite angles are equal. So angle 2 equal to angle 4. angle 1 equal to angle 3. The same way, angle 5 equal to angle 7, angle 6 equal to angle 8. So these are the main properties of these 8 angles. Then when a transversal is intersecting two parallel lines, we will get 3 different types of angles, that are corresponding angles, alternate interior angles, and interior angles. First, we can learn about corresponding angles. What are corresponding angles? Corresponding angles are the angles that are formed when two parallel lines are intersected by the transversal. When two parallel lines are intersecting by a transversal, we will get the corresponding angles. So, we have to check about the angles, the position of the angles. Here, we have angle 1 and angle 5. That means one is exterior of this parallel line, one is interior of this parallel line. So the position, you must check only the position. So if you are getting the position like this, and one more thing is there, it should be the same side of the transversal. So these are the angle 1 and angle 5 are corresponding angles. The same way, angle 2 and angle 6 are corresponding angles. Angle 4 and angle 8 are corresponding angles. Angle 3 and angle 7 are corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are equal. You must check only one thing. The one angle should be outside the parallel line. One is inside the parallel line. And it should be the same side of the transversal. So these kind of angles are called corresponding angles. Listen carefully the position of the corresponding angles. Then the second type of angles are alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles are also equal. Also here you must check the position. So alternate interior angles are formed when a transversal intersects two parallel lines. When a transversal intersects the two parallel lines, alternate interior angles are formed. Then we can see the position. They are already in the from the name itself we know that it is only about the interior angles. So check only about the angle inside the parallel line. So and this, see the position, one angle is one side of the parallel line, transversal, other angle is other side of the transversal. They lie on the inner side of the parallel line but on the opposite side of the transversal. So angle 4 equal to angle 6. Angle 4 and angle 6 are alternate interior angles. They are equal. Then we will get another pair of alternate interior angles, that are 3 and 5. That means both are inside the parallel line, both are interior angles, and one is one side of the transversal, other is other side of the transversal. So these are the alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles are equal, and alternate interior angles we can call that alternate angles. If we say simply alternate angle, that means it is alternate interior angles. Then the third type of angles are interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Then we have another type, interior angles. Interior, here we have the position, the same side of the transversal, but it is inside the parallel line. Interior angle should be always inside the parallel line. So interior angles are angle 4 and angle 5. That should be same side of the transversal. And listen, interior angles are not equal. Interior angles are supplementary. When two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal, interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. Angle 4 plus angle 5 equal to 180 degree. The same way, angle 3 plus angle 6 equal to 180 degree. So interior angle should be inside the parallel line, and that should be the same side of the transversal. So interior angles are supplementary. So we can conclude that a parallel line when two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal, corresponding angles are equal, alternate angles are equal, interior angles are supplementary. Corresponding angles are equal, alternate angles are equal, interior angles are supplementary. Or other way we can say that if the corresponding angles are equal, then the two lines are parallel. If the corresponding angles are equal, two lines are parallel. If the alternate angles are equal, then the two lines are parallel. And the third one, if the interior angles are supplementary, then the two lines are parallel. So if the corresponding angles are equal, alternate angles are equal, interior angles are supplementary. Thanks for watching. See you again with another episode.